Hey everyone, it's Gan from Pepi's Techsuit, and today we're going to be looking at the murdered out PlayStation 5. Okay, maybe it involves some debranding, but at the end of this, we'll have an all matte black everything PS5. Okay, so before I get started, I just want to say thank you for 100,000 views on this channel. I know that's absolutely nothing for the big channels. They probably get those views in like an hour. But for me on this channel and my team, it means so much. So thank you for watching. And yeah, let's just get right to it. So these Darkplates by dbrand were kind of like a response to everyone that was so disappointed with the white and black PS5, you know, the one that people compare to a router and a tower fan and whatnot. But honestly, I like the PS5 design. I don't know. But when I did see the artist renders of completely all matted out, all matte black PS5, I was kind of intrigued. So dbrand has kind of answered that call. I don't know why Sony hasn't released these yet, but you know what, dbrand has these sold out until May now, so I'm thankful I bought these right at midnight. So let's take a look at these. So they come in this cool box here. This is the icons by dbrand, not the MKBHD ones, but the ones with the dbrand robots and everything. So you can take a look at those there. And another good thing about this box here is that you can just swap out your plates when you don't need them. So if you're using the all black look, you could keep the white ones in there if you need them later, or if you want to switch back to the white for a bit, depending on your setup, depending on, I don't know, holidays, if there's other plates coming out, you could just keep switching them in and out. So that's another great thing about both the PS5 design and that dbrand included this nice box with it. Once you get this opened up, it's a nice magnetic box. Has the dbrand purchase, delivered, and install instructions. And getting to the actual dark plates, the first thing we see here is a foam mat here. So we're going to use this to lie our PS5 down when we take the plates off. Okay. And at the top we have the dark plate. And when I bought these, they only had the disc edition available, but now they have digital as well. So that's just kind of cool. And they definitely went along the Sony path and put small icons here. But again, to avoid any legal complications, they actually changed these icons to those dbrand icons on the box, you know, with the robot and all that other fun stuff. But it's kind of cool that dbrand actually went out of the way to replicate that PS5 experience. Alright, so we have this one here. So this is the disc side, as you can tell. Okay. And another foam piece here. And finally, this other side here. Okay, you got some nice matte finish. I think this will look great on the PS5. And I never noticed. Oh, that's kind of funny. Inside here, there's a little quote. It says WTF, and underneath it says you, probably. Yeah, that's kind of like my reaction to this. WTF, this is awesome. Okay, thank you dbrand for this. Great to see that you guys are listening to customers, even when Sony won't. Again, I do like the white PS5. I'm not saying I don't, but an all matte black everything one might be kind of cool. And when you buy the dark plates, they give you an option for the skin on the middle and the bottom. So you can see the icons here again from dbrand and the website to show how to install them. Okay, so I'm going all black everything, you know. I kind of want the Batman look, the murdered out look, the PS2, the PS3, PS4 look, whatever you want to call it. I think this will look dope. I'm happy with the PS5 again, the way it is, but this, I'm excited for. So to get started, we're going to put the foam mat here, and I'm going to place my PS5 on top of it. Now, I've never done this before. This will be interesting. But apparently you're supposed to pull up here. Oh, that was a lot easier than I expected. Okay, so all you have to do is you pull upwards here and then pull to the left or down, and the plate just comes right off. And the first time I saw this was that PlayStation unboxing video, or teardown video from Sony, where they showed you how to remove these plates so that you could dust the inside of the PS5 or change the SSD, an external SSD. So we started with this side first. Let's see how this goes. Okay, it's this way. Alright, so you can see that there's kind of like these latches here, or sorry, these things that guide you in, and this is where the plates will stick onto to this side. So let me just align these. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay. Again, it's very simple. And yeah, now we have one of the Darkplates on. And if you're a crazy person, you could just leave it like this, half white, half black, so you get the best of both worlds, like Hannah Montana. But we're not going to do that. We're definitely going to look at the all matted out one, all matte black everything, as certain other YouTubers say. Okay, we're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. So opposite of the disc drive over here, on the digital edition, just on the other side of that PS5 logo, or PlayStation logo rather. Again, we pull up and down to the side. Again, pulling up this way, pulling up towards the camera, and to the bottom of the console. And to put it on, we just do the opposite. Okay, line it up with the disc drive here, and we have a matte black PlayStation 5. Wow. I mean, this thing is gorgeous. Okay, now I can see why certain people really wanted Sony to do the all matte black one. This looks amazing. I still think the white one looks great too, but wow, this looks really nice. But we're not done yet. We still have to make it all matte black everything, right? You have to get the inside all matted out too. That will look really nice. So there you have it, the all matte black everything murdered out PlayStation 5. Of course, it would have been cool if Sony made this themselves or sold it as a first party product, but I mean, this looks like it was made by Sony. So that's great work on dbrand's part. If anything, even if you don't like the all black look and you prefer the original PlayStation look, even just the center matte black sticker that you could get on dbrand separately, that makes a big difference too. Than, you know, fixing what I thought was the ugliest part of the PS5 was that plasticky finish in the middle. The matte black in the middle, even with the white plates, looks really nice. And yeah, I just think this is a better solution than, you know, how people were finding creative ways to color their PS5 when it launched, when there weren't products like this, and Sony was shutting down any companies trying to create these types of products, but dbrand somehow found a way around it. I don't know, you know, their website keeps telling Sony, you know, Sony, come at us, sue us, whatever you want. But, you know, this is great. And if you don't like the black look or you want to switch it up later on, the good thing about the design that Sony did here is that you could just switch these plates out. dbrand took advantage of Sony's great design here and let you switch them out too. So now I have a matte black PlayStation 5. And if I want, I could just switch it back to a white PlayStation 5. So, you know, that's great. I love it when companies give end users the choice to customize their products easily, you know, to best suit them, best suit their setup. I mean, I have a lot of white and black in my setup, so maybe I'll switch back to that later, but right now, this murdered out PlayStation 5 looks like something Batman would use, and something that looks just amazing on my desk, so I'm gonna keep it for now. I'll update you later down the road if I decide to switch back to the white PlayStation 5. So now, all that's left to do is to find the solution to get an all black controller that isn't as expensive as colorware. But that's for another video sometime in the future, maybe. I don't know, dbrand, you might make some cool skins for the controller, but that's it for now. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.